Hi y'all. Here's another ceiling fan here in my kitchen here at my house. This is a Harbor Breeze white 52-inch Centreville ceiling fan. This one does not have a remote, it has pull chains. Got some bulbs. Sunday I'm gonna put some LED bulbs. Some of my ceiling fans have some of them don't. Yeah, I gotta put some in my, because I like LED bulbs better. I want, maybe someday I'll put some LED bulbs in this and make a video of it, but we'll go ahead and start up. Wait a minute. Huh. Oh, wait a minute. We'll have to try that. Oops, that's the light, right? Alright, ooh, let's try that. There we go. There's the light. And I really like the three glass globe things here. Now let's do the fan. Oh, here's the reverse switch. Left, if it's on going toward left, it pulls air down. If it goes right, it pulls air up. So we're gonna go ahead and start here on low. So here we go. It does blow cool air. Alright. Now we'll go to medium. It blows a little more air on medium and high, a little less on low. I'll get over here. Oh yeah, this air feels good. It blows a little cool air on medium. Alright, now I'll put it on high. There it goes on high. Now it's on high. There we go. Oh, it blows more air on high. Oh, this feels good. It's a cool breeze. Just don't want to drop my phone because that would be bad. See? There's the blades. And right here are the blades. Alright. There we go, see? There's the lights on it. Now we'll cut it back on. Now put it back on low. You know what? Oh, turn it off for a minute and I'll put it back on low. Here. See? Up here. It has 5 blades. See? The different colors. There's the sign. Harbor Breeze. And then over here it says Harbor Breeze too, including here on the string. This one's a light. Harbor Breeze. Harbor Breeze. Harbor Breeze. Harbor Breeze. Alright. Alright. I want to keep this on low. I always keep this one on. I always keep it on lowest speed. So, yeah. So, there you go for that. So, that's the videos. There you go. That's it for right now.